to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and this week I'm actually not drinking anything alcoholic. I have a big cup of milk because I was just eating a bunch of the limited edition Lady Gaga Oreos. I'm someone who has to have a cup of milk with their Oreos. I don't like the crunchy cookie. I like them to be soaked in milk and mushy. This week, I thought we could do a good old Dutch pour, but this time we're going to be doing it on a circle canvas. I have a 12-inch round canvas that I wanted to use because I'm pretty sure every time we've done a Dutch pour, it's been on either a square or rectangle shaped canvas. So I thought it would be fun to do a fun shaped canvas for a Dutch pour this week, and if you'd like to see how it turns out, please continue watching. Now for this canvas, I recently saw a gorgeous sunset that had deep shades of purple and blue, but then also had the bright orange and some red. And so I was hoping to try to capture some of that vibe on this canvas. I have all of our paints already mixed up, and I already put the silicone in, so that's pretty cool. And see if I can remember how to do a Dutch pour. Damn, it's been a while. So we're gonna flood our canvas with some white. Okay. And I think I'm gonna put most of my paints on this side and blow them that away. So we're gonna start with some of this blue. And go to purple. Red, and then our orange. And now we're gonna flood it, and we're gonna do the whole Dutch pour part. All right, flooding it, we're gonna blow it over top, and then we're gonna blow it out. Just gonna kind of let it sit for a bit. Got all those awesome cells popping up. Hopefully we get some cool ones remaining. Let's blow it out. All right. Ooh, that looks really pretty, especially with that orange there in the center. I'm gonna use my breath and kind of modify some stuff. I love all three of these colors together. It's gorgeous. And I'm gonna touch up the edges too to try to get all of those colored. It appears as though all of my edges have something on them. Paint goes all the way to the end. I don't think I want to make any more modifications. Maybe I'll get this orange to go all the way over the edge, so it kind of is like a triangle, or comes to more of a point, like a center. It's okay. The paint doesn't really want to travel much anymore. But I'm going to hit it with the heat gun to see what other kind of cells pop up. Well, I think that's it, you guys. Man, I love all of these colors. This is so cool. And it's interesting doing this on a round canvas instead of a flat one. You can kind of go in whatever direction you want, because it doesn't matter how you end up hanging this one. So we're gonna go ahead and let this dry. We will come back to it when it is all nice and glossed up, and we'll take a closer look at it. Our painting is totally dry, and I went ahead and put a couple coats of a gloss varnish on top, so it's all glossy and beautiful and ready for us to take a nice close look at. And I truly love this painting. It's kind of magical when a painting goes so smoothly the first time through, not scraping any paint off, doesn't feel like any elements are missing. It just goes so well first time through. And that's exactly how this painting went, and I love it. I love all the different colors in this. I like how it goes from the blue to the purple, red, and then orange. All of the colors I picked are there. Nothing got drowned out or feels like it's not there. And there's so many cells and lacing. It's so beautiful and so shiny too. Oh, I actually ended up having some leftover paint, and so off camera I made a second circle, which is just a tiny little 8-inch, and it also looks so cute. The purple kind of got drowned out on this one, but I still love it. And it actually reminds me a lot of the open cup pour that we did quite a bit ago, and I loved that painting too. And I loved the way that these turned out. I'm so glad they ended up being so beautiful. I'll still give you guys nice up-close shots outside in the natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means the world to me that I have reached this many subscribers, and it just truly warms my heart that you all take the time to watch my craft videos. I didn't think anyone would want to watch my craft videos, so thank you. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to leave a like and maybe even subscribe to the channel. I always leave a whole slew of things linked down in the description box below, like my Facebook page, my Instagram, and my PayPal account, and there's a list of all of the materials that we used in this video if you feel like trying to recreate anything. I will see you guys all for the next video. Cheers!